Welcome back to Aquakids.
Hey guys, we're standing in front of the exhibit that holds our mystery animal, those canaries of the sea. Remember we were talking about them earlier? And these are the folks that we should be asking what those canaries of the sea really are. This is Sarah and Christine, and they're researchers for the aquarium. So tell me a little bit about what you guys do and the animals that you guys get to work with.
Well, the animals that we're working with are the beluga whale. And Christine and I recently graduated from the University of Connecticut with degrees in animal bioacoustics. Bioacoustics is the study of sounds that are produced by animals as well as sounds that may impact the animal, such as their behavior or their hearing.
Interesting.
And we're working with one of our former professors who's at the University of Cincinnati, and he runs the Fetch Lab, which is a bioacoustics laboratory. So we're doing some work here with the Mystic Aquarium.
Outstanding. So how long has this project been going on?
Mystic Aquarium, we just started recently. We've been recording from them for the past, say, 2 or 3 years. For the past several years, we've actually been recording from a wild environment in the St. Lawrence River estuary in Canada, a wild population that's threatened of about 700 beluga whales.
Wow. And I see you guys brought all your gear here, so explain what instruments that you use.
Well, this is a digital audio tape recorder. This is what we use to record the sounds, which actually connects to the hydrophone. This is an example of a high-frequency hydrophone. It basically just plugs into the digital audio tape recorder, and we record the sounds from that.
The hydrophone is an underwater microphone. So we just place that into the water, and the animals were able to pick up the sounds that they make.
So what kind of sounds do beluga whales make? Because there's something different about beluga whales, and it's their mouth, isn't it?
Yeah, they do produce a lot of sounds. Belugas produce, compared to other whales and dolphins, they produce some of the most various types of sounds. And they can produce sounds such as clicks, buzzes, chirps, whistles, and groans.
And that's why they get their nickname, Canaries of the Sea.
Yep, they talk a lot, so that's why they get that nickname.
Well, I think you brought your laptop, so maybe we could hear.
I wanted to show you a picture of what sounds look like. So this is some vocalizations from Miki in Mayak. Miki's mother is Mayak. And we have two pictures here. What's neat about computers is when we download the sounds from the recorder, we can put them on the computers, and the computers allow us to create images of what the sounds look like. And I have two pictures here. The top picture is the waveform of the sound, and the bottom picture is the spectrogram. So we can listen to what it sounds like. Hold it for 1 second.
They kind of sound like birds.
Yeah, a little bit.
Like that. Wow.
And you could hear different types of sounds that they were producing as well. You could hear some like little chirps and buzzes. And
so what are you interested in? What are you hoping to learn from this project, from this program?
Well, we're hoping to learn a little bit more about maybe stress vocalizations, as well about interactions. And Christine does a lot with vocalizations, so maybe she can answer that.
She's the girl.
We have actually recorded stress vocalizations from several animals, including chickens and horses and cows. Now we're looking more, they had reintroduced about 7 animals into these pools here. They're in the back now. And that was some vocalizations from a mother and a calf when they were reunited and reintroduced after transport from another aquarium that you just saw there. So along with blood samples that they're taking here at the aquarium, we're also comparing vocalizations to see if there is some sort of stress occurring with the animals.
Wow.
How do you analyze the calls?
We actually use acoustic software to analyze the calls. And what we do is we download them onto the computer, and then we're able to look at them, and we look at specific parameters. And one parameter that we look at is the duration of the call, or how long the call lasts. We also look at the intensity of the call, or how loud it is, and the frequency of the call, which is the pitch. And we also can use the spectrogram to look at the picture and categorize the calls by their shape. And we also use a computer model called the hidden Markov model in order to categorize the vocalizations. In the hidden Markov model, it actually classifies the vocalizations depending on the parameters, such as frequency or intensity. For example, if you had one vocalization that was 100 hertz, had a frequency of 100 hertz, and another vocalization that also had a frequency of 100 hertz, the hidden Markov model would categorize them into the same group because they have the same frequency.
So can you determine what kind of mood the whale is in by the call?
No, we can't actually determine that yet. Further research needs to be done to do that, so maybe someday we will be.
Get on it.
That's a good question.
That's what done, yeah, you can do it. Well, thanks so much. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
When we come back, we learn why they get the nickname Canaries of the Sea.
Don't go away. Aquakids will be right back.